Hi everyone, it's me, Kelly from KLK Endeavors, and I've got something that I want to show you today. Today I wanted to show you an order I put in from, it says Bead Box Bargains, but that's the name of the store associated with Bargain Bead Box, and I really wanted some extras of findings, so I placed this big old order. Woo, second page, look at that. And then a little on the third page. And this bill probably would have been like 90 bucks, 80, 90 bucks. But I got 25.70 off for my coupon, and therefore it came to 63 bucks. But wait till you see what I got. Okay, first of all, I ordered these spacers because you can never have enough spacers. And I've got gold and I've got silver, but I don't have a lot of the antique copper, which I think this is what this is, or the bronze. So I got those. And these are definitely the antique bronze flower bead caps. Got a bunch of those. And they'll all be gone real fast. My necklace that I made with the snowflake links, or charms, sold right away, so I wanted to get some more of them. Then I got some more in a little bit smaller size. A little bit different, but not much. Like I said, these will be gone soon. And then I ordered some bigger spacers. Round ones. Pretty. Really pretty. I got a whole bunch of them. And a bunch more in the antique bronze. And then I bought some links, because I thought they looked like butterflies. And I got some antique bronze links. And I also got the same thing, but in gold. Okay. And then, I really like these little spacers. They're decorative, they're pretty. Let me see if I can't show it to you a little closer. They're really pretty. We've got, if I could show you the decorative side to it, there it is. Yep. Really small, delicate, pretty. Actually, I think that was the antique copper, because here is the same thing in bronze. Maybe I should be showing you from the bottom. Can easily dump them though. They're so pretty. I need those. And then I got some spacers that are plain. They aren't decorative, but they'll look really cute and things. And here is the antique bronze. Just smooth all the way around, which is fine. Oops, got one in my hand. Better get it out of there. My goodness. And then here's some more, but this is the antique copper look. Got those. And I'm spilling them everywhere too, because that's what I do. I spill so much stuff, it's not funny. Okay, here's more, but this time in gold. And here's some more. I'd say this is antique copper. I was wondering, I think I got two of them. Of one of the colors, and I think it's this. Let me show you again, because it seems to come out much better in my hands. So, yep. Once again, got one stuck. And then I got these little flower spacers in gold. I love them. They're so small. So small. Very cute. I'll use those up. Okay, let me get a couple more things and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got some bead caps. Silver. Little bead caps. Very pretty. Here's the other side that you can't see very well. Being in here. And of course, one stuck to me. I should have left it on there so I could show you. But anyhow, bead caps always dress up the jewelry and make it look extra pretty. I never have enough smaller bead caps, so I'm really happy about that. Uh-oh, dropped another one. And then I got these bead caps. Sorry I don't have big, beautiful, long nails. I've been a tomboy all my life. Very cute. So I got a whole bunch of those. And then, same thing, but in the antique bronze. So I am excited. And then to boot, they sent me their card, of course. Bead box bargains. And a little gift. And these, as you can see, are little gold bead caps. Thank you, thank you. That was so nice of you. Now let me show you some of my other stuff. I got this antique bronze leaf, which I had before. I used in one of the boxes. Antique copper. And silver. I like these. I like when I can put an infinity symbol on front or other leaves. Just looks so cool. And then I had the little red, little chiffon, hanging, flowery type stuff. So I decided to get some light purple. And then I ordered these beautiful green beads. Look at that. They're so different and pretty. Can't wait to use them. Almost look like a dragon vein or something. And I'm not looking up all the descriptions right now. I'm just showing. This is really cool. It's like black, brown. It's got a glow to it. I love it. You know, see, look at that. They're so cool. And I got another string of this, but only in red. Looks like, not sure if it's the top drilled. Yeah, kind of looks like it. I don't know. But I'll get some use out of these for sure. Love them. I'd say they're top drilled. Look at how they're uneven on the string. And then I got some anchors. Because everybody likes the beach and everything. So I thought those would be cool to use. And then I had some really itty bitty little blue beads this time. Or in the bargain bead box. And I decided to order some black ones. Look at how those shimmer. Not sure what I'm going to use them for, of course, but couldn't pass them up. And then I have a string of beautiful burnt orange. Look at that. You can see the inside line. I like that. And then I might as well show you these turquoise beads. And oh, I love to put burnt orange with turquoise. And then I don't know what came over me, but I decided to go for these tan beads. And I just got some little light blue melon beads. And then I got excited and decided to get some of these beads. And I don't remember what they're called, but they're so pretty. And then I got some dark red. Who doesn't love some dark red? And I got these. Look at that. The blue line in the middle, the dark. So cute. And then these, I know these are called the cathedral beads. They're usually expensive wherever you get them. But they weren't here. But they're so pretty. Okay. Think I'm done? No. Got a whole bunch of these really cool bigger beads. I don't know if they're chevron beads because of the design, but they're so pretty. Pretty turquoisey color. And that's not even my favorite. Then, I got some pretty ones with pink and yellow. Oh boy. What to do? My favorite, though, are these brown, tan, white ones. Love that. Do you think I'm done yet? Nope. Here, I have a couple different packages of these dagger beads. These are new. I just loved them, and I thought I need a lot of them with 4th of July coming up. So pretty. I told you I fell in love with the dagger beads. And of course I got some with these colors on it. Look at that. Woohoo! And these, some light luster green. And I love these. Look at these. I'm probably going to have to order more of these. Look at that. Is that cool or what? And I'm not done yet. I had to get some light blue leaves. These are a little bit bigger. And then I got some really small little green and sort of a goldish, yellowish color with them. And then I got some more in a different color. Look at that. Dark green and sort of like a burnt orange. And then I ordered a couple strands of these. Look at this. Oh, that is going to be beautiful. Love it. And, oh, I saw one that a couple I missed. Imagine that. There's a little bit darker green daggers. All shiny and pretty. And then these, I think I already had some out. No, maybe not. Look at these. I didn't get them out of the bag. They got misplaced. But look at that. They're so pretty. Crazy, fancy, pretty. I love colors. And I think that is it. So I probably won't be doing a finished bargain bead box haul, but you can see this stuff in my creations. So I hope you enjoyed it, and go get your beads. They are awesome. If you create, go through and pick some up. They're beautiful and so worth the money. So I'll see you next time. Bye.